Good morning, everyone. Today I have a package to unbox. As you saw from the title, it is a magazine. Okay, here we go. This is the cover. It's Charisma magazine, and this is the back of the cover. I know people get asking why am I not on the front cover. It's because it's like first come, first serve. Whoever pays or asks to be on the cover first. And I'm always late, so we'll get there. Okay, I'm gonna flip through just so you guys can see like a preview of it. Okay, now let's go to me. But actually, let's read the cover. So this is in Russian. I don't know exactly what this says, but I know the letters. Red, white, and bold. Wrapped in liberty, Dishi. I think this is Russian also. Don't know what that says. Bold and fierce, me. Embroidered voices, past threads, present trends, a fusion story. Okay, and silence of the entrances. Okay, let's go to me. This is so cute. Okay. These are like so clear. I like it. It's like they actually tried to make myself look the same. Other magazines, they don't always care. Let's just say that. And it says fashion. The other ones, like the one right before, says beauty. I didn't know that they like did like different things, because some of them only take a certain type of genre. And then these are so cute. I like that they used all the pictures that I submitted because it's disrespectful to decline. Also, I forgot that everyone is on this page. For the table of contents, I like this. This is different. You can see one of each of our photos, and then portrait, men, beauty, fashion. I like this. But yeah, that is it for this unboxing. I just wanted to share my magazine journey with you guys.